The next video with the next chapter, retirement, chapter 5. So in this, the first step is calculation of new and gaining ratio. In this, the formula of new ratio is old ratio plus gaining ratio, and the gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. These are the formula which are used at the time of the retirement of a partner. While in this, in first we calculate the question 5b. Question 5b. In this question, A, B and C are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6. So the old ratio is 1/2, 1/3, 1/6. So this is B with the same LCM 6, 2, 3 is 6, 3, 2 is 6, 6, 1 is 6, or 3 is to 2 is to 1, or 3/6, 2/6, 1/6. This is the total calculation of this, and finally the ratio is this. After that in question, B retires, so B share is equal to 2/6, because in this is A share, this is B share, and this is C share. In this, B is retired, so the B share is 2/6. After the B retire and his share is taken by A and C in the ratio of 5:3. So the B share is taken by A and C in the ratio of 5:3. So the ratio of B 2/6 is taken by A and C in the ratio of 5:3. Calculate the new ratio. While first of all we calculate the gain. Gain is equal to, so gain is taken by A and next partner C. So they are taking a share 2/6. 2/6 is the B share. This is distributed in the ratio of 5:3. So A gain is 2/6 into 5/8, and C gain is 3/8 into 2/6. So the ratio is 2 4s are 8. So 5/4, 6 are 24. In this 2 4s are 8. So 3 is equal to 6 4s are 24. So the gaining share is 5:3 is the gain which is given in this. So after that we calculate the new ratio. So the new ratio is equal to old share plus gain. So the new remaining partners are the new partners. So the remaining partners is A and C. The ratio between A and C is the old share of A is 3/6 and the old share of C is 1/6. Add. The gaining share of A is 5/24 and C share is 3/24. 24 is the LCM. 24 is the LCM. 6 4s are 24. 4 3s are 12 plus 5 is equal to 17 upon 24. In this, the C share is 6 4s are 24, 4 1s are 4, plus 24 1s are 24, 1 3s are 3, 4 plus 3, 7 upon 24. So the new ratio is 17 is to 7 is the new ratio between the remaining partners A and C. So the new ratio is 17 is to 7 is the new ratio between A and C after the retirement of B share. Thank you and have a nice day.